Hello everybody, this is One Time Outdoors DJ. I have something right here very special. This is a brand new hammock design. It's not even available yet. It is the Treem hammock. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It actually came in a couple days ago, but I just got out of the hospital this morning. As you can see, the side of my face and neck is swollen. Apparently I have a severe infection in my jaw that is spreading into my neck. They gave me 3 different types of antibiotics, so hopefully that helps. So I'm not going to do like unboxing and setting it up today. I'm just going to do an unboxing video. Sorry about that. So I'm actually using a fairly new knife. This is a Best Tech Knives Predator. So I'm being very careful because I know that this is a hammock, and I'm not sure exactly if there's wrapping around it. So, you know, I'm just trying to be very gentle and just cutting the tape. And it definitely helps having a super sharp knife. This thing is awesome. The action on it is. Let me give you a close-up of this, even though this isn't what the video's about. Isn't that a beautiful knife? It's titanium and carbon fiber, and the steel is S35 VN. Now, the most important part. So I can actually see the hammock is wrapped up very well. But I still want to be careful. This knife, it cuts like butter. This is by far one of the sharpest knives I own. I gotta clean it up. I got tape on it now. So here's the inside of the box, and it's very light. Actually, it is a bridge hammock. So I guess this is just filler for the box. what's cool about this is the guy that designed this, he made 3 prototypes, and I believe 2 of them are in the United States and the other one is in the UK. And I am the second person in the United States to test this out. Not this particular one. I think I'm the first person to test this hammock out. So that's, you know, very exciting, and I'm honored actually. You can find all the specs on this hammock right now on Indiegogo. So here is the spreader pole. So it's not too big and comes down, breaks down very small. You see how small the hammock is. Maybe that's an extra pole, or the second pole. It's very, very well made. You know, the guy's very passionate. I believe his name's Indrik. I know I'm pronouncing that wrong. Again, I apologize. So, all right. Hammock. Okay, so this pole is if you want to change the lay, because here's the poles that come in the pack. Okay. Now, let me... Inside the bag, there are separate pockets that hold your straps, which is, you know, very nice. It looks like to be 2 gray straps and 2 black straps, but I will pull them out and show you. Everything is very, you know, very nice, well made so far. I mean, it's beautiful. As you see, it doesn't come with directions. I mean, I'm sure it will come with directions, but right now, you know, it's... So, here's one strap. And I'm gonna take out all the straps. Okay, so I'm guessing all the straps look the same. So I'm guessing maybe they're different lengths. But now that all the straps are out, I can show you this very nice detail in the bag. So this is sewn into the bag, and you see it's got these 4 pockets for them 4 straps, and then it's, you know, a regular bag. My honest opinion, I would like the bag to be a tad bit bigger, but it doesn't have to be. It works. It's got very nice zipper pulls. So, yeah, this is it for now for this video. I promise you there will be many more videos. But please go check out the Indiegogo, link, so that way you'll get a better idea of the hammock. I can tell you briefly that the reason that there's 4 straps is because, unlike a lot of bridge hammocks, this hammock has 2 tie-out points on each side. So just from what I've seen in his initial video, it'll have a tie-out for the top and the bottom to make the bridge hammock very, very stable. But like he says in his video, you can still get that little sway if you want it, which I thought was, very, very cool. Now, I really like the material. I'm not sure exactly what the material is. I do know it's a very lightweight material. And in the next video, I will have all my points, like what the material is. The bars, I believe, are aluminum, but what the straps are and everything. In this strap, what I did notice was it has a circle ring, steel ring here, and then it also has a little clip, I guess, to feed this through, to tighten it off. And on the hammock itself, it has a zippered pocket that will go, that's, obviously on the outside, and it also has these little loops. I think this is Grosgain, but again, I'm sorry, I'm not 100% sure. But there's multiple loops that you can use for tie-out points. It is a double layer hammock, and what's good about that is you can put your pad in between here, so that way if you want a pad, you have that option. So far what I'm seeing is everything is stitched very well. The material is really soft, and it looks like it's a hexagon ripstop. The sewing is very straight and very well done. It's double stitched, triple stitched in spots that I've seen. On these loops, they're box stitched. Yeah, it looks really nice. This looks like it's like an am steel or something like that. But yeah, it looks to be very, very well made. Let me try to show you. It looks like 2 different colors. My phone probably isn't gonna, pick it up the best, but this is like a gray, and then it is like a darker green, or maybe even a darker gray. I'm not sure. And then, you know, the gray cable. You know, here's some of his stitching work. And I don't know if my phone is actually doing justice to this, but it's very nice. And I do believe he is doing this all himself. You know, everything is done by him, I believe, which is, you know, very cool. So, yeah, I can't wait to get it in hang. So, I just wanted to show you really fast. All the straps are here, but I figured I couldn't tease you that much. So I just set it up really fast using my straps that were already hanging on the tree. I don't think this is actually done 100% right, but this is just to give you an idea of what I was talking about, how it's got the multiple points. See, it only goes but so far until it stops, which I really like. And then you have your, you know, open down here. Here's where your spreader bars go. Here's all them loops I was telling you about. You got 1, 2, you got your pouch, 3, 4 along the sides, and then you also have one here. You have one on this corner. You have another one on this corner and that corner. And look, you also have more straps here, or loops, I'm sorry, and another bag here. This bag is has 3 sections. Plenty of room in each section, so that way you can keep your stuff, you know, separated. I tell you what, I haven't even got in this hammock yet, just because I want to make sure that I have it set up right. But I'm definitely getting one of these hammocks. Without a doubt, I will be buying one. I really like how the cord comes down. I mean, you know, you do this, but it comes with it. And at the end of the cord, you have this simple little lock. And all it does is, so instead of tying knots, you don't have to. You just pull it tight, and great, now it's not gonna let me do it. Lift it up a little bit. Alright, so you pull it tight and you bring it over, and then over, and you just simply put this like that, and it actually holds it, which granted I didn't do it right. Every time I bend over, my jaw feels like it's gonna explode, and then trying to do it with one hand, you know, it doesn't work. I mean, this is loose up here, but it gives you a better idea, and it sets in there. Even though the line, you see how loose this line is, it still makes it only go but so far. I mean, I love this hammock. Over on this side, it looks like just 2 pockets. Yeah, you have one big pocket and then, you know, a smaller pocket. I like how it's not done halfway, but it's offset a little bit. That way it gives you that, you know, you got more space here and you still have good pockets. And I'm guessing if you really wanted to, this is only done with a single stitch. It looks like back stitch up here. You could actually, you know, take that stitch out and make it one huge pocket. I don't know why you would do that, but it's option. It's, you know, it's optional, I guess. Inside here is this strap. This strap right here runs the whole length of the hammock, just to give you that extra support. And I don't know, I think this is going to be a home run hammock. Honestly, I don't really know yet what I could say for improvements. If you guys could think of anything to help me out so I can let Indrick know, that would be helpful to me. I do like how both sides are open, so you can go from any direction, put your sleeping pad in. Man, I love this hammock already. Okay. Thank yous all for watching. I really appreciate it. Please let me know what you think of the hammock in the description or in the comments below. God bless yous all. I'm going to try to link the Indiegogo information on this, so please check it out. Alright guys, thank you for watching. God bless. One more look.